Here we go!
Yeah!
Whoa! We made it! We made it to Farmer Kenny's farm.
Yes, there are so many crops here. This is awesome.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of Farmer Kenny, hey, there he is.
Hi, welcome to my farm.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thanks for dropping in.
Do you mind showing us around?
Yeah, let's go take a look around.
Yeah, we made it to the tomato field.
Yeah, we know what tomatoes are.
And it's really cool that you have green tomatoes, orange tomatoes, and red tomatoes.
Wow. Hey, didn't you say that there are plants and animals at the farm?
You want to come see our hens?
Yeah, let's
go.
Yeah, awesome.
Whoa, look at all of these chickens.
They're so amazing and so colorful.
I know.
I see brown right there.
Oh, yeah.
And black and white.
Whoa.
And gray.
Wow, and I love their beaks.
This is our Japanese chicken, Sylvia.
She is so cute. Do you mind if I take a photo of you and Sylvia so then
course.
she and I can put it on our cork board back at the treehouse?
Yeah, let's do it.
Great idea. Oh,
Excuse us?
Excuse us. Picture time.
All right.
Okay.
Are you ready for your picture? All right. Everyone say farmer on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Farmer!
Oh, that looks great.
Can I actually hold Sylvia?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, thank you so much. Wow. Oh, Sylvia? Oh.
Wow, she likes you, Blippi. Yeah. And hens lay eggs, don't they?
Yeah, you want to go find some?
Yes.
What?
please.
Let's go look.
Hey.
I'll be right back. Wow. Fabulous. Let's find some eggs. Okay, oh, look. A big brown egg. Ha, neat. And here's another one. Oh, this white egg. I see eggs like this a lot. Oh, there's more eggs down here. Another brown egg. I have got to show Blippi. Come on, Blippi. Look what I found.
Whoa, eggs!
Yeah.
How many did you find?
Oh, let's count them together.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa! Good job finding 6 eggs.
Thanks.
Hey, let's go see the rest of the farm.
Yeah. Wow! It is so cool that all these plants came from seeds.
Yeah, and now there are these beautiful green plants with ripe red strawberries on them.
You came at the perfect time. It's strawberry season here on the farm. All right, so here we have a little white flower. This is how the strawberries start. So pretty soon after the flower, it turns into a little green strawberry like this. And then after that, you get the nice red strawberries, and now they're ready to eat.
This one looks good.
Yeah, that
You
one
want
has
that
your
one?
name all over
Okay.
it.
If it's redder, the better.
Ooh, strawberries are one of my all-time favorite foods.
Whoa! And check this out. See this one? Yeah, it's the color green. And this one is the color red. You definitely don't want to eat this one. It wouldn't taste good. But this one would.
Oh, yeah.
You want to eat them?
Yeah, here we go.
All right. Mmm. That is so yummy.
Want to go see the rest of my farm?
Yeah.
Let's go on our tractor.
A tractor? I love tractors.
Me too.
Whoa! Check it out. Yeah, this tractor is the color blue. That's one of my 2 favorite colors. Yeah, and look at this. A big wheel and tire. And a small wheel and tire. Let's go.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Go, tractor, go.
Oh, I see so many strawberries.
Whoa, I see corn growing. Yeah, they're so yummy.
And I see an orange flower, too.
Ooh, I love orange. I wonder what it would be like to meet a stegosaurus. Yeah! Whee! What an amazing forest! So many green trees and bushes and whoa! That looks like a dinosaur! Do you remember what that is? It's a stegosaurus.
That's right, Sammy the Stegosaurus.
Hi, Sammy. It's me, Blippi. What was that?
Don't worry, that was my belly. I know it's loud.
Sounds like Sammy is really hungry.
Well, Blippi, you came right in my favorite time of day, lunchtime.
And I know what your favorite lunchtime meal is.
plants because you're an herbivore, right?
Exactly. I only eat plants. I'm looking for my favorite evergreen leaves, but I'm only finding these yellow ones.
Evergreen trees are green all year round. I can help you, Sammy.
That would be great if you could help. Come on, hop on, Blippi.
Whoa! I can see everything up here. Whoa! Sure is hot here in the forest, Sammy.
Not for me. I'm lucky. I have these back plates. They keep me cool when I'm hot.
Way to go, plates! Hey, Sammy! I see evergreen trees up there.
Perfect. Hello, lunchtime.
Whoa! Look at those teeth. They're flat, not pointy.
Right. They're really good for grinding food.
And hey, why do you have a beak?
My sharp beak helps me grab food and chew. Excuse me. Thanks for finding my favorite food, Blippi.
No problem, Sammy. It was so much fun.
Whoa! That was so much fun meeting Sammy the Stegosaurus and seeing his big plates. Wow! Yeah!
Everyone ready?
Yeah!
All right.
Let's make it!
Oh, nice. Woo. So I thought we could decorate our swing seat with a fun pattern. A pattern is something that repeats. So I have two colors. I have yellow, which is one of my favorite colors.
Ooh, and we have blue, which is one of my two favorite colors.
That's right. So what kind of pattern should we do?
Ooh, like yellow, blue, yellow, blue.
Or blue, yellow, yellow.
Those are two great patterns.
Yeah, and we can work together as a team to get the job done.
Yeah!
Okay, so the first step is to paint the entire seat yellow.
Ooh, cool.
Here are Blippi.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I'll put this right here so we can share.
Thank you. Oh, thanks, Blippi.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hey.
and paint. Look at this beautiful teamwork.
Wow. Good job, everyone.
Yeah. Okay, now we can keep decorating. What about some fun diagonal stripes on here?
Great idea. Yeah.
Cool. I can use this ruler to make a really straight line.
Cool.
Okay, so I'll start here, and I have a pencil to mark it. The next step is we are going to use painter's tape to line out sections that we do not want painted blue. Our next step is to paint all of these yellow sections blue.
Yeah, I love blue.
I know. Okay, so I'll put this here.
Ooh.
And here you are, Blippi.
Oh, thank you.
Here we go. Whee!
Wow. Whoa.
Okay, so remember, paint the yellow sections.
Hey. Wow.
Okay, now we get to take the tape off.
Yeah. Wow. Let's show it. Whoa.
Look at that.
Whoa, so pretty.
Yeah, we did a great job, everyone. And I really love the pattern that we chose.
Yeah.
We have
Blue,
yellow,
blue,
yellow,
blue,
yellow,
and blue.
Yeah. Wow, I should probably go put this on the drying rack. It's still a little wet.
Oh, good idea.
Ooh, the sun is gonna make sure that the seat dries really fast. Whoa.
I can't wait to swing on it.
It's so fun building our swing.
Oh, there she is! Look at you, I'm so excited.
Hi, everyone. This is my friend Evelyn, and she can tell us how much longer it's going to be raining.
I sure can because I'm a meteorologist.
What's a meteorologist?
That's a good question. I'm a scientist that studies the weather.
So you can tell us how much longer it's going to rain and if we can still have our ball pit dance parties?
It's gonna rain for a little while longer.
Aww. But how do you know what the weather's gonna be if it hasn't even happened yet?
I have tools, and my tools are sort of like clues.
What kind of clues?
Yeah.
That's a good question. I've got a radar. This is my first clue. And a radar tells us where it's raining, how hard it's raining, and where the rain is going.
Oh.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
why is it so colorful?
That's also a good question. Take a look right here. The cooler the color, the lighter the rain. The warmer the color, the heavier the rain. So the green and the blue right there, that means lighter rain. Yellow, it's a little heavier. And once it's red or orange, that means very heavy rain.
What other clues do you use?
I have another clue. It is a satellite.
Yeah.
So this is a satellite, and it launches high up in the sky into space. And there's tools. There are tools on the satellite, and they take photos of the clouds. Yep, and the clouds tell us a lot about the weather.
So the clouds are super helpful.
Very helpful. They tell us if it's gonna rain, if it's clear. We get so much information from the clouds.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Is there any other types of clues that you use?
I've got a really great one.
Ooh.
It's called a weather pattern.
Patterns? We know what patterns.
Yeah, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Or circle, circle, square, square. Circle, circle, square, square. Circle, circle, square, square.
Yeah, I like Blippi's hat. Yeah, see, it's orange and blue, orange and blue, orange and blue. Yeah.
I have a good weather one.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, spring, summer, fall, winter. Spring, summer, fall, winter! That's right. So we use weather patterns to forecast the weather, and the scientific word for this is climatology.
Climatology.
It's a big word.
Yeah.
So if the weather is the way it is today, it was probably like that a year ago,
Oh.
and then a year before that, and a year before that. Maybe not exactly, but close.
Wow, well, patterns are really, really cool. But if you're saying it's gonna rain a little longer, we'll probably have to cancel our ball pit party.
I'm sorry. I know you're disappointed, but rain helps everything on the planet live by giving us water to drink.
Wow, did you hear that? Rain helps everything on our planet live.
Yeah, that does sound really important. Thanks, Evelyn, for teaching us that. I feel better.
Good. Thank you. And you know, I am splashing off because I have a forecast in a couple of minutes that I have to report. But remember, if you see a rain cloud, it is helping our planet live.
Wow.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.